first product in 1984 was the Extractor pump kit. The Extractor pump removes poison from snake bites, wasp and bee stings, mosquito bites, and more. The pump acts as a vacuum which provides the most powerful suction available to remove venom from the body by sucking it out the same cavity through which it was injected. There's no need to use dangerous blades or knives that come in less effective bite kits. To use the Extractor, select the suitable size suction cup, pull the trigger to its full extent, and place the suction cup over the bite or the sting. Using your thumb, press the plunger all the way in until you feel the suction and let the pump remove the poison. This should take about 60 to 90 seconds for insect bites. Pull the plunger out to gently release the vacuum. For snake bites, center a suction cup over one fang hole at a time and alternate between fang holes every 2 to 3 minutes for 15 minutes. Discontinue use after 15 minutes. Retrieving venom can significantly improve treatment results. Most snake bites occur in the extremities like the arms, lower legs, or the ankle, and the effectiveness of the Extractor pump varies with the location of the snake bite. The Extractor pump can most effectively remove venom that pools outside the muscle areas, and venom often pools outside the muscles and bites to the hands, feet, and ankles. In large muscle areas like the calf, the venom enters the circulatory system much quicker, and the Extractor pump is less effective at removing venom in those areas. Stings and insect bites leave venom and poisons close to the skin surface where they can easily be retrieved. Best results occur when you apply the pump quickly before fluids enter the circulatory system. However, mosquito bites can be treated successfully hours after the bite has occurred.
Introducing autoXscape by InGeek, an innovative multifunction auto emergency tool that integrates a high-powered LED flashlight and 2 life-saving escape tools. Constructed with military-grade aerospace aluminum, autoXscape is fully waterproof and impact-resistant. Press the button once for high beam, again for low beam, and a third time to enable SOS mode. On high, autoXscape puts out 135 lumens covering up to 492 feet. No matter what mode you're in, simply hold down the button and the beam will immediately shut off. autoXscape comes with a car mount for easy access in an emergency. Peel off the 3M tape that comes in the box. Press and hold to the desired location, applying pressure for approximately 1 minute. Once the mount is attached, autoXscape is ready to go. autoXscape has 2 built-in escape tools to quickly get you out of an emergency. To cut the seatbelt, make sure the belt is pulled tight. Open the cap to reveal the blade. Position the blade inside the belt and slice away from the body. To break a window, use the exterior steel ball on top of the cap or the sharper tungsten steel punch beneath the cap. Hold autoXscape tightly in your fist and make a stabbing motion towards a corner of a side or rear window, not at the center. autoXscape gives you peace of mind knowing you're prepared when emergency strikes. autoXscape.
This is the Schrade SC-Axe-5 Tactical Hatchet. The SC-Axe-5 is sized as a light-duty, full Tang hatchet, perfect for emergency, survival, rescue, and tactical applications. The black powder-coated, quarter-inch thick SK5 high-carbon steel Tang provides exceptional strength, culminating in a 3.1-inch razor-sharp axe head. 6 steel bolts attach the glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales to the Tang. These are dimpled and contoured to help provide a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allows you to grip the hatchet at different handle locations, depending on the cutting task. Grip the lower portion of the handle for power strokes. Go with a high grip when you need greater control. Move your grip above the handle for slicing, such as making wood curls for fire-starting material. Penetration power is afforded by the SC-Axe-5's pointed spike, angled for maximum impact. The hatchet's versatility increases as the Tang extends through the handle to form an effective prying tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Holes in the Tang provide cording options, and the slot serves as a valve wrench in emergency situations. Carry the hatchet at your side in the protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps, or lash it to gear. A lightweight hatchet with an overall length of under 13 inches, designed with robust capability, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SC Axe 5 Full Tang Tactical.